When you manage many homes, you can quickly start to get a lot of maintenance issues, but COHO can help you keep on top of them all. COHO groups your issues into the following top-level categories. Reported. These are issues that have been reported by either tenants directly within COHO or by managers, but haven't yet been started. In progress. These are issues that are being investigated, scheduled, awaiting parts, or looking for a supplier. Completed. These are issues that have been completed, are currently awaiting approval, or are awaiting an invoice. Deferred. These are things you don't necessarily plan to do soon, but you don't want them forgotten either. This is often used for works that will be completed for a room switch. Past issues. This is a list of all issues that you have archived. To make navigating your maintenance dashboard even easier, COHO has a number of really powerful tools. Firstly, any issue can be assigned to a team member by clicking Assign. You can then choose to view only unassigned issues, only the issues assigned to you or somebody else, or issues assigned to a certain group of users, such as those who manage a certain region. These tags can be added against users in the User Management panel. Issues can be filtered by property or by property tag. Property tags can be added in the Manage Property page. This can be a powerful feature to allow filtering on all properties that are newly renovated, or HMOs. Maintenance issues themselves can be tagged too. This can be done by opening a maintenance issue and clicking on Add Maintenance Tags. This could be used for tagging proactive maintenance. Lastly, you can type anything into your search and the system will find it among your issues. This can search categories and titles, and also job reference numbers, a reference that COHO generates to make talking and finding about specific issues easier. If you'd like to send the direct link to another manager on COHO, you can click to open the maintenance issue in its own page and copy that link across to them. That's how you navigate through your maintenance issues. In the next video, I'll show you how to progress them through to completion.